For Caterpillar, we had a new part number for C18, the 3687815 part number. We are also going to be adding another kit, which is going to be a 3687816, and those pistons just came in. These are unique to a C18. It's a forged one-piece piston, steel liner, like all the C18s, steel liner with roll burnish flanged. So you can see the profile on that close-up of it. Typical friction welded piston construction.
Joe, what's the main application for these C18?
On this particular piston, it's gen set and industrial. But we do have, you know how that C18 is, good point, Oscar, that engine goes in a lot of different applications. And for the displacement of it, that engine makes a lot of horsepower. So it's very similar to a C15 engine block. The head is the same. Block looks externally the same as a C15, except that it's 5 3/4 inch bore instead of 5.5 bore.